If you want to convert a document into a PowerPoint presentation quickly and without starting from scratch, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. Instead of manually copying every line into slides, you can use Microsoft Word and PowerPoint together to turn your document into a presentation with just a few settings. This is a great time saver for students, teachers, business users, and anyone who needs to present written content in a clean slide format. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Word document. Make sure the document is already written and organized in a way that makes sense for slides. The important part here is that your content needs to be structured properly because PowerPoint will use the heading styles in your document to build the presentation. So if your title and section headings are set up the right way, the conversion process will be much smoother. Now go to the ribbon section at the top of Word. This is where all your main tools and commands are located. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon and then select Customize Ribbon. This will open the Word settings where you can add or remove commands from the toolbar. Once the customization window opens, look for Quick Access Toolbar. This is the area where you can add shortcuts to tools you use often. On the left side, change the command list to All Commands. This gives you access to every available Word command, including the one we need for sending content to PowerPoint. Scroll through the list until you find Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you see it, click on it, and then click Add. This moves the command into your toolbar list so it becomes easy to use anytime you need to convert a document into slides. After that, click OK to save your changes and close the window. Now that the command has been added, we need to make sure the Word document is formatted correctly. Select the content that you want to use inside your presentation and apply Style Heading 2 to the main content sections. Then select the title of the document and apply Style Heading 1. This is very important because PowerPoint uses these heading styles to separate the title from the slide content. If your styles are not set correctly, the slides may not organize properly. After that, select all the text in the document. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard or by highlighting everything manually. Then go to the top toolbar and click the Send to PowerPoint button that you just added. Word will now take the structured content from your document and create a PowerPoint presentation automatically. Depending on the length of your document, this may take a few seconds. Once it finishes, PowerPoint will open with your content arranged into slides based on the headings you applied. Your Heading 1 text will typically become the slide titles, and your Heading 2 content will appear as the supporting slide text. From there, you can review the presentation, adjust the formatting, add images, or make any design changes you want. This method is incredibly useful when you already have a written document and want to turn it into a presentation without rebuilding everything manually. It helps you work faster, stay organized, and save a lot of time during content creation. If you plan to do this often, getting familiar with heading styles in Word will make the process even easier. And that's how you convert a document into a PowerPoint presentation using Word and the Send to PowerPoint command. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.